Hello, chibay vek u. Vo into hey tor pakhat special deu kakaldo na in lo en ve turin mitam takin ka hwana ka thai enge ni ka mante ka lei thamante min han zo ta chu wang chuanin ka hwan tam tak a that na ka lei thaman le thil dang enge ni insects tenan ei chiat lo na tura aven na thil tam tak organic liquid khatyang ka man te kha ka lo en tir don chewa chuanin ka kal na tur hi kanaw vi pasalte dorania southern state antia helaya chuanin farmer le hey horse farm le khatyang zong ina an thil an ran le an bong te an vok le arta na an le na mun pui kha ni chuanin heta hianin thil tam tak mu tur oma helaya kan man chung chu kan han enti rang cheu tu na hianin kan kalanga ka mak pa po chu tu na na la thoka ka local don ti ka shela ti chuanin ka han kalange hei kan ina tanga mel thum chawania to an lei tha zora nia helai hi mitam takin helai hian an lot a chuanin helai hun hi ania he dor hi a special em a oh there you are key. Hello, Tim. Hey, hi.
Hey, good to see you.
It's good to see you. Oh, thank you. How are you? My dear brother-in-law. Really pasalanya layanin antaklian pui tahi khala chu.
Nilo.
You're like the paparazzi.
Yeah, she's the paparazzi.
So you're going to close the store soon, right?
We got an hour. We just
started. What time you close?
6 o'clock.
Okay. So the darukan kara, you're gonna tell me about all the fertilizer you have there.
Oh yeah, we'll tell you
okay.
about. Yeah, we get you.
Fertilizer kamante til tam tak min shil don ani. Hey, ya felanya.
We just right now because we have so many carts, we just get a head start.
Oh, okay.
Move everything in.
Hang. So you move these in because why?
People take them.
Oh, me and Rook an lau wang in hey ru. Lau ru hin lau om ve thawa chu wan chon in chungan da lu don ni an hey Mizoram. We have this in Mizoram.
I'm sure you do.
Yep, it's beautiful.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna follow you.
We don't want to do that. Come on this way.
Okay, you go first. I'll come. Hello, he an door he hey greens tam takan neya hey hen he thai le hwan lampang thil reng pang parte an neya mania kan kalna ang khachu an nelo ma se an door hi a special ani thil hi an nei tha maya hey ti hian do dar ga doran kha do na wangin an han seng hoi ani hey an moi lom te mai ania hey hetiang engeni sunflowers te Mizoram kan nei ang khachu tam ve kho thomaya hey an moi lom cheng khop mai hey.
This is plant season for us. We do about $3 million worth of plants every year.
Okay.
So we keep selling them almost all the way to October.
October thangin heng zong hian an shalani. So after October it's too cold, right?
A little too cold around here.
October nu chuanin vurtet ladon ta chu wang chuan heng zong hi an shal vekangai. So you normally a lot of times you put it on sale right before the
we'll try to get rid of them.
Yeah,
is she coming or is she coming around?
Oh, I'm just letting you know there's someone on the phone for you. It's a delivery question.
Okay.
Oh,
let me go.
Okay, we'll. How are you, young girl?
How are you?
Good. So my tomatoes.
They were very delicious.
Very delicious.
Oh
okay.
Yeah, I gave some to my grandparents and they loved them.
ka tomato te ka lo pe ve hey fel lu to ka helai hianin engtiklai pon I came here all the time to buy fertilizer and spray and soil.
Oh yeah.
Ka til zong karon lak na karon le na nia. So
One of our favorite.
I'm favorite customer kan ni chu hey. Hey hi brook kan ya helai thok ve tho hi nia chu wang chuan helai store hi a chan chin tlemin han se brook. You tell me about Southern State.
So Southern States was first established in 1923. So since now 2023, we've officially been open for 100 years.
Wow, 100 years.
100 years, yes. We just hit that.
Kumza ni to ni chu he store chu wahan rate to
So we're known for a lot of different things. We're known to be an agricultural store, but we also do carry a lot of other products like
agriculture store ani chu ber mai na le tha le thil zong kan ron enti to cheu kha.
And we do have a lot of other products as well, and we're known to be carry a big sense of community. So a lot of people come in here, they know each other, we have a lot of regulars, and they just feel like it's kind of a community area.
Community helai hianin anin shade uve ka helai store hi alar ema mitam takan local na ni helai store local hi enge ni farm nei te le sakor nei te bong nei te arbol ho helai hianin tam tak hi an lo in shave ka ni chu. Anyway, I really appreciate Brooke. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Okay, appreciate. Thank you.
Bye everybody.
Bye. Yep. Dora hian han kalta ila heng zong hi an call nei nghe ni te an nia he one le lo thil zong an zuar ve ni he heng te chu Mizoram ma pon still te hi om ve thawin ka sia Mizoram ma chan he an nei thakop maya he helai hian ke po ka thom no te ka han le thina ka thil chuanin ka grass clipper te enge ni kan ya ta na kan mamo zong te kha ka han le ve thina ni kan Makpa hi fel maya a thil hi ama wang hian in discount te hi kan nei ve alom om maya pon lama son greenhouse om ma se chung lampang hi kan en pui ve phot seunga ti chuanin kanau te USN local khan hei grass seed hi an hon thina ma se duangin tuen lo pe thalo aniang alo tro thalo thina heng te hi grass ai nim lo kaltur ti thina khania hi grass ti thimya lovin hei dandelion le thil dang lo tro kha ati chetani ati I know. Yeah, ang pon ni second. Yeah, it's good to see you. Kan ang lo nge heng te hi ang lo grass lampang control na vek kan ya heng zong hi hey step 1 weed control til hi an han ni thakropa he ta hianin nge ni helama hianin grass seed le nge ni le thaho a om ve thunga heng te hi ten te hi hei grass ta ne na tha ma NPK ten an tia nitrogen phosphorus potassium ti khan ya NPK kha Mizoram ma chuan kan la ve tho kha. Okay, so Tim, explain to me, what are these?
On this side over here. Okay, this is what we call grass seed for the yard.
Hey, he grass seed.
Yard embankments stuff to keep the ground stable. So this is what they would call Kentucky 31. It's a wide blade grass. It is most
Kentucky Tall Rescue and
it's the stuff's been around since 1948.
Na sang khazakwa somli pariat at tangin head he grass is mani toni. So this is 50 pounds and
this 50, they run about right now. Grass seed is very expensive.
Yeah, grass seed to
it's grown out west in the United States.
Okay.
So they have had a 20-year drought out there. So
so
they don't grow. They're not growing as much grass.
So how much is that?
$109.
That's oh, 50 pounds.
50 pounds.
Oh, pounds. Okay.
You used to be able to get this $5 maybe 8 years ago for like $39.99.
Oh, kumriat kalta khan he mi cheng zaman hi somthum somriat pak how $39? Somthum pakwa velin. Okay. So and those are other grass seeds
That's
too,
all
right?
Grass, everything from here over is a type
Heng
of
zong zong hi
grass
seed
for certain things. I mean, we have some for shade. We have some for shade and sun.
Attentu nilima tin big turte oma.
Shaded areas, professional lawn.
Oh,
over
professional
on the
lawn.
other side
Okay.
grass seed. We have grass seeds.
There's so many grass seeds, right? This is your
premium. It's like for a golf. It's golf course quality.
Golf course quality, yani. So hey, grass. Okay, let's go to see the fertilizer.
Right here.
Okay, and then the other organic fertilizer that I use in my garden, so I want to show.
Organic?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The one that I always get. Hey, ka fertilizer ka huana ka man thin verte. Atir sang hiama. What are these? These are decoration.
Yeah, decoration.
Hey, decoration. Natan bottles.
Decoration.
Oh, and yeah.
All this stuff.
Okay.
Yeah. How do I want to put? Yeah, this is stuff we've gotten. Try to get people in the store this year.
Oh.
It's one of those things.
Hey, and advertise when that to me local dawrah local
as the area has changed over the 40 years I've worked here, it used to be farm area. Now it's not. It's small land.
Okay. Farm area ni China tu na chuanin unbuilt up veton. It's built up, right? Mi tam takin in ata nan englawa. So these will be will taken back in the morning, right?
Yeah, we got to put them all back out.
Hang zong zong te hi po na naktu ka anda chuak leng an doran khadon to wangin.
Basically, pull it in, pull it out, pull it in, put it out.
Okay.
Yeah, busy work.
So it got a wheel, and so they can just pull it in and out very.
We have a section of.
Okay.
Organic.
Oh, okay. These. Okay.
This is some of your organic stuff. You
Okay.
can use in the yard or the garden.
Okay. These are my. Hey. Plantain, hey, kaman na sadbiran ya. Hang zong zong hi organic. Hey, here big in tomato.
Garden. This is mostly for like decorative pine trees,
okay.
holly trees, anything that likes a little hydrangeas.
Okay, hydrangeas. The pangpar lampangan ya hey what's the NPK here? Some.
The NPK.
Yeah.
This is going to be mostly acid.
Acid. Yeah, hey.
You have a nitrogen
level.
Okay,
nitrogen le.
4
and yeah. Potassium.
No, potash.
Potash.
Potassium.
And
phosphorus.
Phosphorus.
Phosphorus 3 and potash is 4.
Yeah, potassium.
But it has a lot. See, you have micronutrients that you don't get.
And then you have organic and
then you have all this.
Okay.
Chickens.
Yeah.
Poultries, bone meal, alfalfa meal.
Okay, I've mixed so I use mostly
use plantain, yeah. Plantain should be none of organic fertilizer are going to have a high nitrogen content.
Yeah, organic rang to nitrogen ka atam lo ni chu khu.
They don't have a high.
533.
Yeah.
Okay, hey kaman beran ya. So let's go down and go down to where the bug sprays and other stuff are.
To sprays is that way.
Yeah, to.
Okay. Oh, you bug.
Yeah, hey, angeni insects le tilron A2 ho kami tha na sang ka oma organic te oma organic lo te po omta.
More gardening stuff.
A
lot more smaller. If you have a small area, make a smaller bag for most of the liquid. And then you do have liquid here. This is all Miracle Grow.
Okay, okay. So some of these are they're not organic, right?
No, this is the only thing that we like an organic.
Okay, hey, he kaibon kapang. I use this fish and seaweed. Okay, he kaman na niya. Nitrogen pani oma ngani potassium. No,
nothing.
Phosphorus.
Very little.
Yeah.
2% nitrogen.
Yeah.
Phosphorus. And then you have potassium.
Okay.
Potash.
Yeah, potash. Okay.
You don't have a whole lot of it.
So, tiyan he lampang hi ate big omna niya hi du tam lotan alian dian ka ti thei boka. Let's go to
okay, next aisle.
The next aisle la chuanin heng zong zong te hi hey garden hose le hey til sangha lampang te po aniang mo chuan hey
all made in China.
Sadly, those
all
the
made in
tools,
China, yeah.
but not this one, right? These are. No, the
most of these are made here, yes.
Yeah, hang song hi chu made in USA vek ani hi hang te hi enge ni Beatles te phong mir te thil reng khatianga ti hlum na chi kha ni ya. So these are not, or are these organic?
This is you can classify this as an organic one.
Okay, these are organic and ya hang ho
These
hi
two right here.
an nei ne man ya a shang hi om ve ya.
Most of this in here, so you're talking over 40 to 50
wow,
years.
kum som level hang ho hi chu om to.
This is a product hasn't been around that long. Mostly it's used. It's called Telstar. It's a new product. You can spray it indoors or outdoors.
In chung ale po na spray thai ni chu
some of these you can't spray inside your house.
Yeah, I tend to in chung kan man thai lawa. Oh, these are other stuff, right? Fungicide, hang zong hi kan du lo thil
really good Dacamil.
Oh, thil ti hlum na ta nan mang poison ivy te oh hang
this is what you call ground neutralizer.
Okay,
supposed to make sure everything dies.
Oh, hang te hian thil zong ti hlum thei vek ani chu a sang hian ne ya
kills grasses and weeds.
Oh, grass le englo nim ati hlum ani chu chuan he la hianin heng hi phong mir ho ti hlum na te ani vele thung ta a
bug stuff again.
Oh, heng zong hi
neem oil basically.
Neem oil te hi kan mang ta heng te hi neem oil te hi a thata em a I garden organic garden kan du chuan heng zong hi.
Yep.
Yeah. So Tim, tell me about you supply for a horse farm and
mostly the only most of the stuff in here would be for like a I shouldn't say hairy homeowner. It's for the local homeowner now. That's what we're supplying things for.
Yeah, heng te hi poi mo tlata garden nei tan chuan. Okay, let's go down to where you have all the animals feed and again run to shang.
This is animal feed. Now these are used right now. Our biggest thing is we sell a lot of chicken feed.
Tun lai chuan min ar sa an vul na sa chu wang chuan ar cho kan shal na sa tia ni chu. These are hey hi varak chon ya.
This is made for everything.
Hey hi eng pon nan ei vek thaya ar le varak te.
And then we have chicken food all the way
heng
down.
zong hi
all different types of chicken food all the way
chicken
meat birds.
cho vek ani hi.
Yeah, meat birds.
So it depends on what you want. There's more expensive, right? I tend to ay ang lawa.
Yeah, it used to be these things like this. Used to come in a 100-pound bag.
Oh, 100 pound, okay.
Yeah, 100 pound, and it was about $11 when it was 100 pounds.
Oh wow.
Let me tell you, 100 pounds. Once you've been lifting 100 pounds every day.
Oh boy, you're strong. 100 pounds to need in lift. Okay, what are these? These are also chicken.
That's all chicken stuff, and we just to show you how dumb Americans are. We'll go over a bit with the bugs.
What is this? Hey.
They love
the bugs. Hey, again, pangang.
Some mealworms. Yeah.
Pangang.
Huh?
Pangang. It's in Mizo. It's pangang.
Pangang, whatever.
Pangang.
Okay.
Just tell me. Just don't say that they're eaten by humans, and I'll be fine.
Okay. Now, tuna tuanin savato lampang enang. Okay, what are these? Those are for cows, right?
This is all supplements, just in case.
Okay.
You don't have a cow, horse, or lamb that mother has rejected. So you can feed them. You can feed them this.
Apuin tuan pek du lo ho ta na e tu ra ni chu.
They'll survive on that.
Okay.
It's not. You hope they do because they need. This is the most important thing for them to get.
Oh, so pui mo berani so bong lo te te tan.
Feed them that to make sure they can survive.
Oh, achang chuan nan pui te khan nan lo chuan pe du lo thina. Okay.
And since Americans are dumb, we like the horses. This is all horse feed.
Hang ho hi
this is all horse
sakorcho.
Ready? You have every different variety you can think of. for a horse.
And Kim Helai American Mutai Zong Zong Sakor Chochu.
It goes really expensive. There's like
show me. Let's walk here.
These are supplemented feeds. $40 for this is just to help their digestive.
Okay.
And then it starts cheap and it goes all the way up to $32 a bag.
Okay. So the hang how hit and horse so vegan his sakor so okay, and then tell me what these are.
That's horse.
Hang how his
sakor. They call it tack. It's horse tack.
Sakorta na mamo.
Brushes for your boots and stuff. You take your boots off.
Boot define that. What are these?
These are horse halters. You put it on the halter on the nose, and you can lead it around with a lead. Scrapers, when they're after they've worked out, and you wash them. You scrape them with this.
Define na.
Yeah. These are like their shampoos and stuff.
Hey, Sakura shampoo le. I in boil now like soap and everything, right?
Soap, yeah, so this stuff you put on the saddles or
and then saddle and that
you're doing a lot of leather.
All the supplies, right? Supply. Sakortana supply zong zong. And they need to okay.
And like I say, most of that toys for them to play with.
Okay, so a toy tour te po zela ni isa.
Then we have stuff all sorts of supplements for them.
Sakortana cho supplement zong zong hang te hi ni ya.
This one we sell more to humans than horses because people use it for arthritis.
Sakor so arthritis tanan mga tiyan ni so.
Some of the letterments we sell mostly for the people.
Really?
Yes.
Arthritis nei ho tanan an tiyan ni so.
These are all stress. This is like electrolytes.
Okay.
Now humans have to drink Gatorade. Horses when they drink, they need some stress dex. Something like that in the system to keep their activity up.
Okay, Chuanin, these are all horse feed too?
That's all horse feed.
Avantam
supplemental hay products.
Okay.
All the way down to like $40 bag feed.
Okay. Vatam tereng em.
Then you go over here.
Heta hianin.
And we have dog food.
Hey hi ui cho ve thong le. Tam khop mai ui cho po.
American loves their dogs.
Yeah, America chuanin ui hian mangayan an yeah, an fate angan nia chu wang chuanin helai chuanin uisa 80 chuanin an raviau ma se Korean te pon e chun e ya ma se helai chuanin an chung kwang chen an enani. So these are all dog food here.
All dog food all the way down.
Okay, all with hang song hit with cho helai. Then okay, and then
keep going dog food.
Okay,
let's go down to bread and butter that we sell during the winter.
Okay. So heta hianin arte te po vultur kan ron la thein is a hun lain. Okay, these are all also for dogs, right? Okay. And then these are for cats.
Some cat stuff, yeah, some a lot of cat food. It's not as much as we sell dog food.
Zote cho ve thungania. Chuanin
cat litter, cat food in a can.
Okay, hey cat.
Some people feel they have to have cat food that looks like hamburger.
Okay. Hamburger.
This is our bread and butter.
Bread and butter.
This is what we make a good bit. I mean, we sell this constantly.
Yeah, hey, he can
this is all for wild birds.
Hang he.
I mean,
Savat teta nani kay ni pon kan ron lay chain.
From that wall all the way around to
there. So it's the biggest
seller.
Because helai here.
We sell this stuff year round now.
Heng zong hi savat so kay ni pon kan huana savan local kan pechi na heng. Hey, two
bugs. Bug worms.
Hey.
I should have started a farm to grow these things. Because that thing runs about.
It's $100.
It's $100 a bag.
Wow. These are worms, right?
They're just worms. They're bags. Yeah, this is.
Pangangan ay turchi kan siya mani to heng hisavahi.
So we have all this birdseed. This is black oil sunflower.
Hey, sunflower seed anya savato.
We don't use sunflower oil like they do in the rest of the world. They probably grow sunflowers for the oil.
Yeah.
Most of the people grow around here for the oil plus the seeds to feed the.
Yeah, America chuan in sunflowers and
we use
grown a bear too englo for birds.
I think Americans use more corn oil than anything else.
Okay.
We don't eat corn or maize as they would in Africa or someplace else.
Yeah.
Our corn's all field grown for cattle. It's
yeah, America rama
it has a different ground to it, a different taste, different nutrition value.
America rama vaimim an chin tam na ber chu an nge ni an cattle te tan an ran sa te tan ani ya chu wang chuanin mizo chuang kan thiam lo mai theya ke ni chu ei tur chaw mo kan tiam America rama an corn nge nin vaimim siam na ber chu englo ran sa te tan ani.
That's all bird seed through there and all through here.
Heng zong hi savacho vekani. I need to buy one. Yeah. Kapon.
This is the cheapest one.
Yeah. Kapon kaling I will. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, this is all, and this stuff, as you can tell, it starts at 44.
Yeah. Hey.
Some of it's 50.
Ay nang lo man te hi heng. What? How is it 50? Oh, that's 4 kg som pali.
40 pounds again.
Kg so 40 pound ka cheng som li pangani chu to ve le mai.
This has jumped too, like everything else in the ever since COVID hit.
Oh.
Everything has jumped.
Okay.
Especially
COVID atang khan atove.
Again, stuff that is grown not on the eastern seaboard.
Okay.
It has to be grown out in the Midwest, upper Midwest, and then shipped in and mixed.
Oh, that COVID atang khan in tiltam takhi tozia. How do I say? Oh, hey.
We also Americans also like to hunt deer.
Oh,
so this is our deer.
Saki.
Yeah, people spend big
Saki
bucks.
kan engeni Saki and Vietnam. Hey, hang. Okay, explain to me for these.
What's all this
Saki pel tu tan pasal chatan.
So as you can see the picture of the deer, most hunters during gun season want this. They want a big rack. So these are plow. What
is that for?
Basically, you find an area between woods that's open. You till the land if you can. You don't have to. You plant that stuff. It gives them stuff to eat. So you know. So they'll come to that opening.
Okay. Hey, a bait angani. It's just like a bait, right?
It's bait. Yeah.
Okay. So
bait them in. Shoot the little devil.
A thang ang ve deu ni chu hei hian da chuanin Saki kha an lo. Saki kha an du
Everything is different.
So hemi hi a popular bag he an finan du vekati he an han the thoi Saki kha lo kala Saki kha mi te khan chu Saki chu an lo kap ta mai ni.
Vitamin supplements if you want to put something out for them.
Oh, vitamins,
yeah, like salt.
You hunt them, but you give them vitamins?
I don't do that.
Okay, so these are also bird seeds, right? These are actual.
This is what we call field corn.
Field corn,
This is what Americans raise so much of.
Hey, America rama an he corn here in Iowa,
Indiana, Missouri, Nebraska.
Okay, Missouri, Nebraska. State atanga local ani heng himo.
Field corn. And that's what it ends up as.
Chu kwang chuan ei tur ai chuan in savacho ta nan lo siam nem zo kan America rama chuan. Makta kani.
We're crazy enough to even feed the squirrels.
Oh, hey, can you take hey he thelei ho tan cho big tur.
This is for
hey,
the squirrels,
peanut. Nge badam kan ti khamo. Heng te po hi this is already open.
Yeah, this one's like
heng ho te hi savate badam te
for peanuts.
Oh, badam.
Yeah,
hang kha oi ha.
Okay.
Kalo mongai big lo ke po heng ho hi.
Now we have things for Orioles, which is the native bird of the state of Maryland.
Okay, Orioles cut Maryland Savannah. To me ta na big in big tour te chon lo siam le zela ni chu an tui in tour heng hi savatui in na.
And at your house last week we saw at least 2 hummingbirds.
Oh, hummingbirds?
Yes.
You think we should get one?
That's up to you.
Oh, hummingbird tan te po here especially in lo siam fekani hi.
So you have a hummingbird feeder.
The hummingbird feeder and he hummingbird.
And as you can tell, we do like the decoration.
Yeah, decoration.
So this is a decorated hummingbird feeder.
Muy bien,
Muy bien. It's very expensive.
Okay.
This runs about 30. It runs about $33.
Okay, tell me any Mizo words you know. Mizo trong.
Mizo words I know.
Okay.
Damem.
Damem.
Nalo.
Ngay lâu hit ya. Cái nụ này nha, nó nhìn business thầy trí nó nha, nó rất khác lắm tụi
My mother-in-law's name, Tamkume.
Tamkume, oh.
My wife's name, Van Lomsiyami.
Your son?
And my son's name's Logan. So we named him White Man. Some of my, I have my sister-in-law over there in Missouri, Simpui, and her husband.
Yeah.
Rod Dickey.
Gote.
Jamie.
Jamie, oh, you know, a friend.
Yeah, Mashen. Piela.
Say hello to Piela.
Piela, man, what's happening with you? You get Piela?
Yeah, Piela, and then I in Stratavenia.
Listen, try to think. Mashem is another word I got.
Okay.
Vox.
Oh, Vox. Vox ito yatin.
Yes.
Kan magpa. Vox.
I'm trying to pick up a few more, but it's kind of hard to remember more.
So, I wanted to go back to the greenhouse.
Yeah, you go ahead.
Greenhouse sa lampang anti na son bakal lokila. Okay. Ano is a tlag venia fiam to he do mema a fil te may niya kan magpa he. You're a good man. I love you. Good magpa. Kamagpa chadeu ni ka kamagpa. Okay. Hey, po na yan.
Day here in Maryland.
Oh, hey. Hela ma yan and greenhouse te. Oh ma, hey. Garden decoration te hi taman yang ngoro. Hey, let me. Hey, magtak hey.
As you can tell, like I said, $3 million worth of plants every year.
Yeah.
You can see. Mom's chrysanthemums are here.
Chrysanthemums, okay, here.
Moms. So this is them.
Yeah,
man, they normally come back once you plant them. But
yeah.
So what you do is you have to plant them in the fall.
Yeah,
so
and there's classic donut, classic mine.
Some of the grass with the Maryland's Plow. Like I said, we have some black-eyed Susans back here.
Yeah, black-eyed Susan and
try to get more people to plant native plants instead of other things.
Helai mi Maryland original video ka. Helai mi this one. Titu ngeni plant turin andu ni so hey hang te garden decoration vekania. Anti tiaminia sap how hit so hey.
Yeah, they took off for a bit and they've slowed up really
yeah,
much.
Nuam ve mai ta hianin a order thei ni chu hang statue lam te hi mo he ta hianin an aman nen an order na te kha heng te hi dollar za som lima na ni chu a to kher mai hey
so try to get more as you see there's tons of plants out here bushes
I want this fig thei pui oi ha my fig tree died. How much is it?
This one I don't. These run about. Right now they're. God darn, they don't even tell me.
There's. It's not on the tag right there.
No.
Okay, hey, kat pun vengay don.
$73.
Samsari patum manani.
Something like this. This is like not. This is not a native area plant, but you can see you got figs coming on.
Yeah. Oi, I'm going to get it, Tim.
Here's a nice red one. It's supposed to be.
Yeah. Oh boy, I'm gonna. What's the name?
It's called a Vern Brown Turkey fig.
Vern Brown Turkey. Oh, I definitely going to get this
for
one.
Home gardens for good reasons. Year to year, it's actually you can use it for your personal use as a fig if you like figs.
Yeah.
So.
Okay.
It doesn't say how tall.
See
how tall. Gets height is about 10 to 12 feet tall.
Fits on pani
so fertilize it. You just fertilize it in the spring.
I'm gonna get that.
They have a different texture. The leaves are very coarse.
Yeah.
It's very textury.
Okay.
We have azaleas.
Azalea.
That's yellow. Still got azaleas. We're trying to move probably for this coming year. More verbenum.
Oh, okay.
Which is a flowering type of tree.
Okay.
It does get it gets about 8 feet tall. Hardiness.
And look at all the pots and the pots that.
We have tons of pots. People like pots.
Yeah, more is cool. my hand.
They'll get stored. They'll probably get stored for the winter if we don't
yeah,
get rid of them.
Tasika. Joanin and the rock Victor needs to hang. Come on.
Yes.
Oh boy.
Succulents are in here, which is like cactus and stuff.
Oh, miso Chuan can do top hang he. The miso people will love. We love this.
Cactus is all in the middle. More other types of some cactus down there. Different types of plant. Yeah.
Oh, they already have what? Kale and broccoli?
Yeah, winter. You can plant in Maryland as it gets colder. You plant kale.
But they already have that. I'll come up with.
Plant it for the winter. I mean.
Yeah, I know. These are.
So that's.
I still have my.
Yeah, you still have plenty of kale.
Yeah.
So you still have some sweet potatoes left. They're not going to. They'll probably get thrown out soon.
Oh, I'll take some.
And they're not going to grow. It's too late.
Oh, it's too late. Why do you still have it?
Because nobody bought them.
Oh.
So we still have some cabbage still left. This is for not a lot of people do anything in the fall. Because they're like you, they have some left over.
Yeah, I have leftover. Hey.
More things here.
Oh, okay.
This is a great thing to have. It's called, I hate to say it's called a wandering Jew.
Okay.
But you can hang this indoors or outdoors.
Okay, that's.
So it'll grow either way.
Wow, these are amazing. Moi lutuk moi lutti VMH. Moi top. Okay. Can we go in the back real quick? An mani here in gas there. Again the.
That's a pretty big. That's a big cactus.
I know.
What you do is put these in like a planter like this. We call them hens and chickens.
Yeah. Okay. So you and then the propane.
Yeah, we have propane.
Hey, gas there lag do in tank 100 fill up na.
Like you guys do.
Hey.
We sell a lot.
Propane.
Mostly it's for portable gas grills like this.
Yeah. Hey.
This one be.
Doing all some takinalak may tiny kini kalaya. La kuna oma helai chuanin. How much is it to fill that tank?
$13.
Jeng som patumin hey here fill tiny too.
Yeah.
Hey and fill nanya do zad.
If your house is hooked up to propane with a lot of things, the heat. Some people hook up their outside grills and heaters. You can run pretty much all your appliances if you had to. If you can.
We're so stupid. There was huge. We got rid of it.
Yeah, so you can run it off there.
Yeah.
So they make delivery, but it has to be up to 250 gallons.
Oh, okay. Do that gas later. Chuanin helam panga hian.
Anything excess dirt wise, we keep back here.
Hey, he an extra mean.
There's my son.
Andron englo nanya.
You got Betty, horse Betty.
Sakor.
That's Amanda. Say hi, wave.
Sakor.
Wave. Say hi to Amanda.
Okay.
Wave. There's Logan.
Hey, Logan apo. Tahian athok ve. Hey.
Yeah, these are what forklifts, as you probably see.
Yeah, forklifts and yeah. Mizoram apo kanom ve thong hang hi. Hey Logan!
Hi!
Hi!
We're going to India.
Oh, hey!
Hello, Auntie Annie too. Are you off? Are you done? Logan, are you done? Oh, okay. Okay. Hey, what are these for? Okay, we're gonna say.
Bring Amanda in.
Okay.
You gotta come in too.
Logan.
Oh, come on. It's all one big happy family.
One big happy family.
One big happy. Say bye.
Say bye. say kalome.
Manchao.
Mancha. Say kalome.
We gotta go.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye, Kantiang.
Bye.
Buy the shifter.
Your truck sounds so much better than mine.